must-have eyeshadow brushes to blend your eyeshadows like a pro. The first one is the dense concealer brush. This is perfect to prep your eyes with concealer or eyeshadow base, which helps in creating a blank canvas so that the eyeshadows appear more vibrant. Next up are thick flat brushes. These are amazing to pack and deposit the colors on your eyes. Next up are blending brushes, big, small and medium. These are one of the most important brushes. They are used to blend out the harsh edges after depositing the color and make the eyeshadow look seamless. Next up are precision tapered brushes. These are mostly used to apply dark eyeshadows to specific part of your eyes, aka for precise application and blend. Next up are flat shader brushes. These are perfect to apply shimmers, glitters and can even be used to cut crease. And lastly, a smudger brush. This is perfect to apply eyeshadow on your lower lash line to complete the whole look. This is the final look without the lashes. This is the final look with the lashes. Don't forget to save this one and check out the caption for brand recommendations.